other serums, which can be much more fluid, this product is a bit thicker, so it's actually easier to control and apply to the skin. Many other serums you will find come in a bottle with a dropper. I personally don't love that as much because I find it's messy and harder to precisely apply to the skin without wasting product. The bottle with the dropper packaging also exposes them more to air and light when you apply them, and this may affect the stability of the product ingredients just depending on the overall formulation. And that brings us to this product's packaging and one of my overall favorite things about this vitamin C serum. So this is packaged in almost a tin-like tube that is very similar to how prescription medications are packaged to help stabilize them and protect the ingredients inside. So here you can see what I mean. This is an example of a prescription topical medication, and you can see it's in a similar style tube. Now, this gives me a lot of confidence in the effectiveness of this product. This tube will block light penetration and overall has less exposure to air. Now, topical vitamin C is one of these very popular skincare products that can be found in a wide range of prices, from just a few bucks up to hundreds of dollars. It is typically a bit more expensive because of the challenges formulating it in a stable way and packaging it safely. But this is just so tricky because the price of the product means nothing for how effective it is. Often they have nothing to do with each other at all, and it's all about marketing to the consumer and convincing you to spend an exorbitant amount of money. So do not think that you need to spend a ton on a vitamin C product for it to be effective. I have an entire video on medical grade versus drugstore skincare products to educate you about this topic and how to shop smart for your skincare and not be taken advantage of. This is a fascinating deep dive video, so be sure to check that out. I've gotten great feedback from that, and I always use your feedback to make my videos better and provide direction for me about what topics I talk about next. So be sure to leave me some comments and let me know what you think. I read every comment and I try to reply to as many as I can. Okay, so we've discussed that this is a nicely formulated serum product. It's packaged effectively in this prescription-like tube, and we have categorized it as a treatment product. But what specifically does it treat? It treats 4 main things. Number 1, signs of aging. So this is an anti-aging product that helps prevent and reverse fine lines, wrinkles, and that crepey or thin texture of skin. Vitamin C does this because it rebuilds and maintains collagen. Collagen is our friend, and it is what gives our skin that youthful appearance. Now, when you start looking in the mirror and saying, oh wow, I look so old, look at all these fine lines and wrinkles, that is because you have lost a noticeable amount of collagen. Now, vitamin C works to improve collagen in 2 ways. It builds new collagen by allowing the building blocks of collagen to come together and form mature collagen. This is just basic chemistry, okay? This is how collagen is formed. It needs vitamin C. And second, vitamin C actually prevents your already existing collagen in your skin from being broken down. It blocks the enzyme that degrades the collagen. So again, it is building new collagen and keeping your current collagen healthy. 2, it treats dark spots or hyperpigmentation. So vitamin C also blocks the enzyme that forms excess melanin, which contributes to the pigment or the color of your skin. So it does a really good job at lightening dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, melasma, or even pigmentation in stretch marks. Overall, it's just really good for uneven skin tone and helps return or restore a healthy glow to your skin. I love to incorporate this product as part of a brightening glow up skincare routine. Third, it treats redness from sunburn or post-laser erythema or redness from cosmetic procedures. And lastly, it acts as an antioxidant. So that means that it gets rid of free radicals on the skin that are caused by UV damage from the sun and other environmental stressors or toxins, so that you reduce the effects of sunburn and sun damage that can lead to photoaging and skin cancer. Who should use this? Again, anyone who wants to treat one of those 4 things, who wants a good anti-aging or antioxidant product, or overall just more even and glowing skin. Who should avoid this? Now, I mentioned earlier that vitamin C needs to be at a lower pH to be absorbed most effectively. Now, because of that low acidic pH, it may feel a little bit stinging when you first apply it to your skin. So if you have really sensitive skin and find that skincare products are often irritating to you, this might not be a good option for you. If you have rosacea or redness-prone skin, this can also be aggravating and may even flare rosacea. If you have very acne-prone skin and this happens to irritate your skin or cause any inflammation, it may spur an acne flare. So for those skin types, I recommend proceeding with caution. It's not that you can't use this, but just pay close attention when you put this on your skin, how it reacts. And as always, if you have questions about if vitamin C is right for you, ask a dermatologist. The key ingredients in this product, first, is 10% vitamin C in L-ascorbic acid form. I prefer vitamin C products that clearly state the percentage of the vitamin C because in general, the higher the percentage, the more effective it can be. Of course, the effectiveness does